Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Auth0. First, you'll create your free Auth0 account and a new tenant, which acts as your dedicated authentication environment. Next, you'll define your application type, whether it's a single-page application, a regular web app, or a mobile app. Finally, configure essential settings like callback URLs and allowed web origins to ensure secure communication with your application. Once your application is defined, you can enable various authentication methods. Auth0 supports over 30 social identity providers like Google and Facebook, plus enterprise connections. You can also customize the universal login page to match your brand's look and feel, providing a seamless user experience. For enhanced security, easily implement multi-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection for your users. Now, let's integrate Auth0 into your application. You'll install the relevant Auth0 SDK for your development stack, whether it's React, Node, JS, or another framework. Initialize the SDK using your unique Auth0 domain and client ID, which are found in your dashboard. Then, implement the login and logout functions, typically involving just a few lines of code to redirect users for authentication. With Auth0 set up, you can efficiently manage users and enhance security. The Auth0 dashboard provides a centralized place to view and manage all your users, assign roles, and monitor activity. Implement authorization rules to control what users can access within your application. Regularly review logs and events for security insights, helping you quickly identify and address any potential issues or anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.